When you're done with your boat trip in La Scala, Spain, that's what we did today, then you can do something else with your kids. Our kids still have energy, so we have to find something with action. If you look ahead, there are trampolines, there's a whole park. Just for context, you can buy one ticket for €4 and 12 for 40. So you get two for free. And nearly every activity is one ticket. So you can say €2. That's okay.
Was glaubst du, wer wird zuerst hinfallen?
Ja.
Wer?
Ja,
100%.
Okay.